Yes, I am here again once more, my people, with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Alright, so first things first, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of what some people might call a traffic accident that involves at least 2 motor vehicles. Yes, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of a road accident that involves at least 2 motor vehicles. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly how many motor vehicles was involved in this incident, viewers and subscribers, and I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video be recorded. However, I want you to listen carefully to some words that at least one person said in this video and tell me what you think about this situation. I'll soon tell you what I think as well. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
You know, say man switch for him in a lane, man. Yeah, say police car switch for him in a lane. I just come break up in front time. I think I joke, man. I start running at that more class. More time they see truck, the man they see me a truck in the dog. That me I tell you. And the man they see me a truck when time they see truck more while. And they feel like it's a truck a simple something. Man, who live up? Fuck now. Why did I don't care now? Why did I tell you? Here. Yeah, no start. Yeah, man. Like I just a crankcase but still, you know? No, just smoke free, I just a crankcase alone. Yeah, no start. Yeah. Sama come try it off I want. I wait for Sam.
You might bring chain?
Yeah, we have to go for chain over garage.
Your pay time is coming over thing.
No man, we gotta go for that man. I'm here say out along and I sit down see you when I'm just call me back and I don't run come out. And my name knows say I say serious now, I think it just be the top up on the wall.
Alright, my people, let me tell you something about trucks. Yes, what I say, some people might not know this and some might know. Yes, when it comes down to driving trucks or big unit motor vehicles, it's not exactly as the same as driving a car or riding a motorcycle, you know. Yes, I say there are certain things that that you might can relate with when it comes down to those types of motor vehicles, but they are not exactly the same when it comes down to operating them. Yes, I say, because when you drive a truck, they negotiating of corners and a joke thing, you know. You understand, especially when you drive the trailer trucks, them, you know, the one where they sitting attached on the back height, you know. You understand me, I say, and then when it comes down to like a person that drive a truck and I got a certain speed, you see me I say, you have to know how to gear down and all them things that when you go stop when you go certain speed. Look man, I tell you. So if you hear some of the words the person saying in that video, me really and truly have to think. You understand? Me really and truly have to think. You see me I say, and I tell you, my people, let me know what you think here. Let me know what you think, you know. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation and or altercation between at least 2 persons. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show when one person pushed someone more than one time. You see? And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Now, based on information that I got about the video and about the situation that I can see and hear in the video, it is said that the video shows some things that happened during a confrontation and or altercation between police and a soldier from within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. And after I present the video to you, I'm going to say some more words pertaining to the video. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
Soldier and police are fight. Soldier and police are fight. This is a video. Watch ya!
That look away, you know. That look away, my people. Me I look on persons in uniforms in that video. Me I see guns. That right there, so look away. Now, I got unconfirmed information that some type of investigation had been launched into the situation. Unconfirmed information of viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you. And I really and truly go up say what's ever happened there, so stop right there, so you understand? So let me know what you think about that situation. And to another topic, my people. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a argumentative situation. Alright, so the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when at least one person who you can see in the video wearing a type of police uniform and other persons went to a premises that is located somewhere out in the world, and at least one of those persons claim that there's a warrant, viewers and subscribers. However, you can hear someone talking in the background of the video, and it seems as if that person did not agree with certain things that a certain amount of persons who you can see in the video said. Viewers and subscribers, at least one person who you can hear talking in the video said the TV license. That's what I say. And the whole TV license thing got me thinking, because it's not the first time I hear about this whole TV license thing or TV licensing pertaining to at least one country out there in the world. That's what I say. Viewers and subscribers, I want you look and listen to this video. Tell me what you think about this situation, and you can also tell me where you think the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Morning. Just to let you know before I start talk, I'm recording what is going on for your purposes.
Yes,
and my
perfect.
purposes.
We're doing exactly the same, so we're open and honest.
Right.
Go inside and have a chat then, sir.
I'm not going inside, I'll stay here and talk to you guys.
Right.
Can I ask you first of all, what's your name and what station you dispatch from and why are you here?
I'm PC Edwards from Welling Police Station, Sussex Police. We're here with the TV licensing, who are executing a warrant at your address, and we're here to assist them. If you want to come speak to the TV license guy, he can explain a bit more. He's got some questions for you.
Right, I'd rather speak to him in the public here.
He also needs to test your television.
I do not consent for this man to go inside my property.
Right, because there's a warrant, okay, that gives them and us a power to enter the address.
Can I see the warrant?
Yeah, of course. It's
I am not going inside. I want to see the warrant here. Why are you saying keep on going inside? Mr. TV license man, can you just, for the record, can you just identify yourself, tell me what company you're from and why are you here today? Can I see some ID, please?
Yes. There's a copy of your warrant, sir. It's for you. It's your copy.
That doesn't look like a warrant that's signed by a judge.
It is a warrant, sir.
PC, can I ask you a question, PC? The reason why you're here is...
I've explained to you why I'm here.
Yeah, just to make sure
the
that...
gentleman's going to show you the ID. Okay, and then he's going to ask
Yes, I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay.
So I take it as...
Do you want to take that in your hand, or do you want me to leave it in the address?
I take this as you're not here to take side with neither this gentleman nor not me.
I'm not taking sides.
So you are here to...
make sure the warrant is executed at the address and make sure everything is kept calm.
Right.
Okay.
Can I ask you, why is that warrant come and not in a envelope and
It's not in an envelope. We don't put them in envelopes. Now,
this is we, who you're referring to. This warrant supposed to come by a judge, seal. This doesn't look like a warrant.
It is a warrant. Trust me, I'm a police officer.
And this is a warrant that's signed by a judge.
Would you like it?
Can you just answer the question? Is this a warrant?
It is a warrant
that's signed by a judge.
By a court. I'll leave
by
it
a judge.
for you, because we're going around the circle.
It's signed by a justice of the peace.
The justice of the peace?
Yes, sir.
No, I need a warrant before you guys enter my property.
Okay.
I need a warrant from the judge.
We don't have any access, is that correct?
Wow.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Without my consent, you guys cannot enter the property.
Hastings Magistrates
If you just leave this to the
Court.
gentleman, I'll put it through his letterbox after.
Does he want to answer your questions?
You don't want to answer any questions that I may have?
First of all, you haven't identified yourself to me. Can I see some ID? And I ask you, what company do you dispatch from to come here?
I work for TV licensing. Have you got your ID as well? We work for TV licensing, we work for Capita, and that's on behalf of the BBC for enforcement of TV licensing.
Right, so why do I need a TV license?
You need a TV license because you were seen to be operating a TV live when last we called.
Right.
You were watching a sports programme at the time when our last...
On YouTube?
Or was it you?
Anyway, can I ask you, have I ever invited you inside my front room so me and you sit down and watch television together?
No, you haven't.
So how do you know I watch BBC and the rest of the station inside
We
it?
were taking it from the guy who called before, who said you were watching live TV on your...
And that is his word. Have I ever, this guy tell you that I invite him inside my house so me and him sit down and watch TV
I saw
together?
it from
Okay, I'm just speaking with this gentleman, PC. Can you just wait?
Ask you the questions.
Yeah, you're here just to assist this man. I'm speaking to this man now, so you are here. So make sure this man don't breach the peace and me don't breach the peace. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
He said he saw the TV from the window.
He saw the TV from the window.
Yes,
From the window?
From the door.
Through that blind?
He said he saw the window through the door. I'll read. Do you want me to read out what he said?
Yeah, go on.
Of course, yeah. It's no secret.
How many people, I tell you like, I listen carefully to some of the things. More tell me if I learn anything when it comes down to that situation. Yeah. Tell me if I learn anything from this video, my people. Let me soon talk that.
Yeah, of course. You want me to put that on the table, please, sir?
No, I'm not accepting no farmer documentation. I do not consent to that, PC, so just to let you know.
Put it through the desk.
I do not consent to it, so you can do what you like. This gentleman over here, can I ask you why are you here and why are you standing in my property without my consent?
Here to serve a search warrant on your premises.
Can I see some form of identification?
So, guess what I say?
I didn't see that. For the record, can I just see that name?
You don't need to video my ID card.
Yeah.
Well, you're on my property, so I'm going to ask you nicely if you could stand up out here. Fair enough.
We're in the
Thank you very much.
So look, I'll tell you what was actually said. All right? Okay, I can read it for you here. You did say at the time you don't want your contract. I'm not interested. Our officer replied, sorry sir, but if you wish to use a TV set for live programs by law you need a TV licence. The male replied, what law? I replied, the Communications Act 2003. The male replied, this act is not a law. Do you stand by what you said there?
Yes, I would like you guys to take me to court and prove to the judge that I watch TV inside my house, because I never invite none of you guys inside my front room. So therefore, if you can prove to me today, show me some kind of evidence that I watch TV inside my house, please do so.
Okay, well we can't provide...
You can't provide that. So why are you here then? So you are here under some false claims.
Purely from what our officer actually said at the time.
So that's the evidence. What his word is the evidence.
We've taken his word because he's an experienced officer. Yes.
Okay, I understand. You guys need to prove that to the judge.
All right.
So
okay.
yeah. So
right.
take me to court.
All right. Thank you very much.
You guys have a nice day.
Thank you very much indeed. I think we'll withdraw this to the court. No, that is it, because you won't be answering any more questions.
Wow.
I will not. Take me to court and prove to the judge that I watch television in there. It's that simple. If you guys can do...
Wow. My people, tell me if I learned anything at all from that video. Tell me if I learned anything from that situation. My people, did you hear some of the words that the person said pertaining to the alleged warrant? Notice when the person here, JP, is like the person says certain things. You listen to the video carefully. Look, listen. I am a law-abiding citizen, or if so, I think I am. You know, me try my best. And me is the kind of person, me not go try to go against any rules or any laws of any countries out there worldwide. Before so, if I don't agree with certain rules and laws of a countries out there, I better I don't go to that country. I saw me stay, you understand? But me not go against it, because each to them own. However, this whole TV licensing thing have me thinking. So my people, what do you think about this whole TV licensing thing? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video and let me know what you think. You understand me? I mean, me find that video interesting and me just present it to you so that you can look and tell me what you think. Alright? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.